Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make salsa at home. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and a generous bunch of fresh cilantro. For a kick, select 1 or 2 jalapeno peppers, or serranos if you prefer more heat. Don't forget a couple of cloves of garlic and some fresh lime juice. These simple components are the foundation of a delicious homemade salsa. Now, let's get to the chopping. Dice your tomatoes into quarter-inch pieces. Consistency is key for texture. Finely chop the onion and your chosen chili peppers, removing seeds for less heat if you wish. Mince 2 cloves of garlic very finely. Finally, roughly chop about 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. A good sharp knife makes this process much easier and safer. With all your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring them together. Gently combine the diced tomatoes, onions, peppers, minced garlic, and chopped cilantro in a large bowl. Squeeze in the juice from 1 fresh lime. This adds a wonderful tang. Start with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper, then taste and adjust as needed. You can always add more, but you can't take it away. For the best flavor, cover your salsa and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your fresh homemade salsa with crispy tortilla chips, or use it to elevate tacos, burritos, or grilled chicken. It's incredibly versatile. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.